How to install PowerPoint in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download and install the Microsoft Office PowerPoint for your Android devices. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Google Play Store. So this is the Google Play Store that you can launch by tapping onto the app icon. And now once you're inside your Google Play Store, simply click onto this search bar at the bottom, and then over at the search option simply search for MS PowerPoint and then hit this search button. Now from here you will see this Microsoft PowerPoint application by Microsoft Corporation. So you can click onto this to expand it, and it would be around 78 megabytes in size. Now to install this, click onto this install button, and you can also choose this auto open option when ready as well. Now wait for the application to get downloaded, and once the download finishes, it will get installed in your Android device. And once the installation finishes, you will see this open button. You can simply click onto this open button right here, and now you can see that we are inside the Microsoft PowerPoint. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.